Has a family member ever betrayed your trust? As a broke college student, I needed a computer to do my schoolwork. First semester, I took a PC repair course. Go to my father's house and make a deal. If I repair one of his 3 or 4 obsolete and broken desktop PCs that he isn't using, I get to keep it. I bring my own tools, my own software, and my own copy of the operating system. I dismantle all the PCs down to components and use the working parts to build one. I check out the system, using my own diagnostic software, and reload the operating system. 6 hours later, I'm done and very satisfied with myself. My father comes in and tells me that he spoke to his wife, my stepmother, and she has decided that the PC is needed for her children, my stepbrothers, as a dedicated PC for internet use. Note, everyone in this house has a laptop that is more powerful than what I just built, and my brothers are in high school. I called my dad out for lying to me and breaking his promise. He gets offended and mad at me. I wait for both him and his wife to get ready for bed, and I then carry my PC that I just built out the door and don't say another word.